Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel powerpoitn. In this video, you will learn the use of animations in PowerPoint. So, for animation, we need to create some shapes on slide. So we can go to home menu or we can add a slide first. And now we will add some shapes on here. So first shape is and second shape is circle, and now we will go to animations, and now we will add some animations on this. So you can add animation like this, fly in and float in, and like that. So you, if you want to get more animations, you can click here, and now you see there are a lot of transition, there are a lot of animations over there. So we will click one by one on them to use the animation. So there are three, one, two, three. First is entrance, like any transition animations. Second is emphasizes, and third is exit. So we click on emphasis, and you can see now you can use them one by one, and like this, and if you want to get more, you can click again here, and now we click on the disappear, fade, and fly out, fly in, split, wipe, shape, wheel, random bar. So you can check them one by one. Effect option, you can add effect options on here, horizontal effect and vertical effect. If you want to give your animations horizontal effect, you can click here, and if you want to give here a vertical effect, you can click here additional animations. There are additional animations you can use by clicking here. So these are animations, and animation pane. So these are animation pane. If you want to delete them, so you can click here, and remove this animation, and here you can see the animation pane. Here are those animation which you have applied on them. One, two, you can see one, two, and if you go to trigger, you can one click of a isosceles triangle or over. So now you can see one click. So start with previous one. So you can click on start on the previous one, and now we'll give flat in spirit. You can see here a little line showing in the right animation pane. So this is the timing of duration, 1 second. You can add more timing here like this. Now you can see here, and if you want to duration, if you want to add duration, you can click here, and now you can see the animation delay 55 frames, and you can see the difference between delay and duration. Re-under animation, more avatar, You can go to more of later and move later. Yeah, you can see when you click move earlier, so is it will come on move earlier and move later, so it will come on or will